Hello everyone, I am Diksha, a student of BCom Honors at GLA University. I am here to discuss about the different types of current account offered by Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's start with history of the Kotak Mahindra Bank. So first, let's go back to 1985. Uday Kotak is founding Kotak Capital Management Finance Limited, which later became Kotak Mahindra Finance Limited. This is a starting point of the bank journey. Now, let's move forward to 2003. Kotak Mahindra Finance Limited is receiving a banking license from the Reserve Bank of India or RBI. This is significant milestone as it marks as beginning of Kotak Mahindra Bank as we know it today. So as we continue, we see the Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited is being incorporated in 2003. This is a major step as it established the bank as a separate entity. Next, let's look at the 2015. Kotak Mahindra Bank is acquiring ING Vasya Bank. This acquisition is a strategic move as it helped the bank expand its customer base and services. Now, let's jump to 2020. Kotak Mahindra Bank became the Indian second largest private bank by market capitalization. This is remarkable achievement as it demonstrates the bank growth and success. Today, Kotak Mahindra Bank is one of the Indian lending private sector bank with a presence in banking, insurance, assets management and more. The bank continued to grow and expand its services and its position as a major player in the Indian banking industry. Now dive into the different kinds of current account offered by a Kotak Mahindra Bank. So first account is Kotak 811 account. So first we are going to discuss the features of this account. So first feature is digital first approach. So Kotak Mahindra Bank has adopted a digital first approach, which means that allow their banking services are available online. This make it easy for you to manage your accounts, make transactions and access your account information from anywhere at any time. Next feature is mobile friendly. So Kotak Mahindra Bank digital banking platform is a mobile friendly. This means that you can access your account and make transaction using your mobile phone. This is especially useful for businesses that are always on the go. The next feature is the zero balance requirement. This account has no minimum balance requirement, which means that you don't have to worry about maintaining a minimum balance in your account. This is especially useful for small businesses or startups that may not have a lot of funds. Next feature is debit card feature. Free debit card feature. So Kotak Mahindra Bank offer a free debit card with their current account, which means that you can make transaction and withdraw cash without having to pay any fees. Finally, let's talk about the access of Kotak Mahindra Bank digital banking platform. So the bank digital banking platform provide you with the secure and convenient way to manage your account, make transaction and access your accounting information with this platform. You also track your expenses, manage your cash flow and make informed business decisions. Let's talk about the pros and advantage of this account. So the first one is convenience. So Kotak Mahindra Bank current account offer convenience like never before. With their digital banking platform, you can manage your account, make transaction and access your account information from anywhere and at any time. The second one is accessibility. So Kotak Mahindra Bank current account is accessible from anywhere at any time with their mobile app or online banking platform. You can manage your account from anywhere at any time. Same. Now let's talk about the low maintenance cost. So Kotak Mahindra Bank current account has low maintenance cost, which means you can save money on banking fees with no minimum balance requirement and free debit card. The last one is excellent online banking experience. So Kotak Mahindra Bank online banking platform is user friendly, secure and convenient with features like real-time account updates, transaction, etc. Now talk about the cons of this account. The first cons is limited branch network. Kotak Mahindra Bank has a smaller branch network compared to other branches or banks. This means that if you need to visit any branch in person, you might not have one nearby. So this may be a cons for this. The second one is potential for technical issue. As with any digital banking platform, there may always risk to technical issues such as server downtime or errors. However, this bank has a robust technical infrastructure and a dedicated team to resolve any issue that may arise. And the finally discuss how this account maybe not suit customer who prefer traditional businesses or banking method. So Kotak Mahindra Bank current account is designed for businesses that are comfortable with digital banking. So if you or your employee prefer traditional banking methods such as visiting a branch or using a paper based transaction, this account may be not for you. So now the second current account is basic current account. So let's start with their features. The first feature is basic banking services. This account provides you the essential banking services such as depositing and withdrawal. The second one is ATM card. You will receive ATM card that allow you to withdraw cash or performing other transaction by ATMs. Checkbook, you will also receive checkbook facility by you can make payment and transfer fund. Online banking access, this account provide you to with online banking access which allow you to manage your account. The next one is minimum balance requirement. This account has a minimum balance requirement, that mean you don't have to maintain a high balance to keep your account active. Next one, free account opening is account free, which means you don't need to pay any fees to get started. Now talk about the pros of this account. The first pros of this account is simple and straightforward. This account is easy to understand and use, making it perfect for individual who need a basic banking solution. Second one is ideal for basic banking need. This account provide you with essential banking services, making suitable for individual need. Low maintenance cost, this account has low maintenance cost, which means you can save money or banking fees. Suitable for individual with limited banking requirement. This account is perfect for individual who don't have need advanced banking services. Now the cons for this basic current account has limited feature. This account doesn't come with advanced features such as bills payment, fund transfer or investment services. Second one, may not include advanced banking services. This means this account is designed for basic banking needs, so it may not include advanced banking services such as wealth management or business banking. The third one is may not suit customer who need a more comprehensive banking solution. This account is perfect for individual who need a basic banking solution, but it may not be suitable for customer who need more advanced banking services. The third current account is startup current account. So let's start with their features. The tailored for new businesses. This account is especially designed for new businesses, providing them with the necessary tool and support to grow. The second one is dedicated business banking solution. Kotak Mahindra Bank provide dedicated business banking solution including cash management, trade financing and other services. Third one is simplified account opening process. This account opening process is simplified, making it easy for new business to get started. Fourth one, online banking and mobile app access. This account provide online banking and mobile app access, allowing business to manage their finance on go. Talking about the pros of this account, so the first pros is convenience, streamlined process. This account provide a convenient and streamlined process for managing finance. Second one is dedicated support for startup. Kotak Mahindra Bank provide dedicated support for startups, include business banking solution and financial product. The third one is business banking solution. This account providing access to business banking solution including cash management, trade financing and other services. Access to financial product and services. This account provide access to financial products and services including loan, credit cards and insurance. Now let's talk about the cons of this account. So the first con is higher maintenance charge. This account may have higher maintenance charge compared to other current account. Second one is may require a specific business document to open this account. You may need to provide a specific business document such as business plan or financial statement. The third one is not suitable for individual and established businesses. This account is especially designed for new businesses, so it may be not suitable for individual or a specified established business. Now the fourth current account is business current account. So let's start with their features. So first one is comprehensive business banking services. This account is a wide range of business banking services including cash management, trade financing and more. Second one is flexibility. This account offers flexibility in terms of account management, allowing you to manage your account online through a mobile app or in a person at a branch. The third one is multiple account option. So this account provide multiple account option, allow you to choose an account that best suit for you. And the next one is trade financing facility. This account provide trade financial facility including letter of credit and bank guarantee and more. Next one is online banking mobile app access. So this account provide online banking and online mobile app access and allow you to manage your account on the go. Now talking about the pros of this account. So first is comprehensive solution. This account provide a comprehensive business banking solution, making it one stop shop for all the business banking needs. Second one is dedicated support for business. This account provide a dedicated support for businesses, include a dedicated relationship management, 24/7 customer support. Third one is Telroid for business for all sizes. This account is Telroid for business of all sizes from small to large. Next one, access to advanced financial product and services. This account provide access to advanced financial product and services including cash management, trade financing and more. Now talking about the cons of this account. So first is higher maintenance charge. This account has higher maintenance charge compared to other current account. Second one is complex account opening process. This account opening process for this account can be complex and time consuming. Third one is not suitable for individual or startups. This account is designed for businesses, so it may not be suitable for individual or a startup businesses. Last but not the least, premium current account offered by a Kotak Mahindra Bank. So first feature of this account is exclusive services. This account provides exclusive services that are tailored to meet the unique need of an individual. Second one is personalized banking experience. With this account, you will receive a personal banking experience completed with the dedicated relationship manager. Next one is consider services. This account come with the consider services which can help you with everything from travel arrangement to event planning. Next one is higher withdrawal limits. With this account, you will enjoy higher withdrawal limits, giving you greater flexibility when it comes to managing your finances. Next one is complimentary travel insurance. Finally, this account comes with a complimentary travel insurance, providing you with added peace of mind when you are on go. Talking about the pros of this account, the first pros is convenience. This account provides convenience with exclusive services and a personalized banking experience. The other one is personalized banking. With this account, you will receive personalized banking experience and complete with dedicated relationship manager. Other one is exclusive benefit. This account comes with exclusive benefit include concise services and complimentary travel insurance. The other one is prestige. Finally, this account is tailored for individual, providing a level of prestige and exclusivity. Now talking about the cons of this account, the higher maintenance charge. This account comes with the higher maintenance charge which may be drawback for some individual. Other one is eligibility requirement. To open this account, you will need to meet certain eligibility requirement, which may include minimum balance requirement or income threshold. The other one is may not suit for individual with modest banking need. Finally, the account may not be suitable for individual with modest banking needs as it comes with exclusive services and benefit. It may not be necessary for everyone. Here are some factors to consider when we choosing a current account. So first one is banking needs. Firstly, assess your individual needs or requirement or business needs and requirement, frequently transaction from one to another. Consider all the things. And second one is fees and charges. Compare all the fees and charges from one to another accounts or a bank. Other one is benefit and perk. Considered all the benefit offered such as travel insurance, document all the programs. And the other one is customer services. Evaluate the quality of all the customer services of bank from one to another. Talking about the process of opening a selected bank account. The first step is to choose a bank that meets your need. Research different types of bank, compare their features and fees and charges. Second step is to gather required document. Gather all the requirement document that include ID proof, address proof, etc. The third is visit the bank in person. You can locate that the nearest branch using a bank website or mobile app. Fourth one is fill out the application form. Fill out the application form. This form will require you to provide personal and professional information. The fifth one is submit the application form with their documents. And the sixth one is verification and documents. The bank will verify the document you will submit it. This may take a few days depending on the bank processing time. The seventh one is approval. Once the documents are verified, the bank will approve your application and you will receive a confirmation message. Then the eighth step is account creation. After approval, the bank will create your account. This may take a few hours or a day. Initial deposit. Then you have to deposit some amount to your account. Then you finally your account will activated and welcome kit receive.